Hey guys, Andrew Coster with Pit Boss Pellet Grills. Today we're at the Danson's Training Center and I'm going to be showing you part replacement and maintenance on a Pit Boss pellet grill. In this video, we're going to be going over the first step in part replacement on your Pit Boss pellet grill, removing the hopper. Today, we're going to be using an 820 FB, but this process can be repeated across all Pit Boss pellet grills. The first step in this process is to remove the two Phillips head screws holding your controller in place and actually feed the controller then back inside the hopper. From there, the next step is then to remove the bottom panel. In order to remove the bottom panel, you will need to remove all screws holding it in place. On most Pit Boss grills, these screws will be located at the bottom of the hopper, but on some it may be along the bottom sides. Once those screws have all been removed, you can then remove the bottom panel. After the bottom panel has been removed, you will then take out two screws, two on front, two matching on back. Once those screws have been removed, your hopper can then slide right off and hopper removal is complete.